eat. Eat, yeah. I pay that dog. Funny man in the motherfucker. Don't like a butterfly, stand like a motherfucking pig. Knock this broke ass nigga out. Come on. Come on. Knock his ass out, man. Hey, nigga ain't nothing, boy. I was got this shit, boy.
Ass nigga, I told you this shit.
Damn, nigga, bust your lip. Come on, man.
I need you to knock this nigga the fuck out.
Really? I need you to go in there and two-piece him.
You got too much time. You got to get him.
You said what?
Got to keep your hands
Hey,
up.
you gotta go in there and two-piece him. Come on, nigga, you ready? All right, we got funny man. Let's go. All right.
Knock that.
Y'all jump up.
We need a fair fight, all that.
Slap up.
Knock his ass out.
Okay. Y'all ready?
Hold on.
Get him in the tip.
This for all the times that nigga robbed me, cuz I'm gonna show your bitch ass, nigga.
Yeah, you talking about?
Man, come on then, nigga. Round one. Okay, nigga, let's do it. Somebody hold the timer, man. Minute round.
Y'all ready? All right, round one. Let's go.
Blow that whistle.
Get busy on him, nigga.
Yeah, get his ass.
Get him
Hey, man, put your hands up. Focus, man. Focus. Hey, man, where you get that, man? You got it. Hey, it's time. We about to see who the fuck funny. Okay. Y'all ready?
Come on.
Round three, go.
Come on, nigga.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Pop his ass. Pop his ass.
You thought this shit was sweet, didn't you?
Got him.
Come on, take your ass away. Get up. Come on, man. Get your ass up.
Try to get up.
Hey, my man. You need to get your ass up.
You need to quit, nigga. Hey, Tyrone.
But you need a kiss?
Fucked up.
It's not happening. Yeah.
God damn, son.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Gin, you like going through it. Somebody give him some gin. Hey.